In this example, we're going to solve a linear inequality and write it in the solution in interval notation. The first thing we need to do is find the LCD because this linear inequality has a fraction. So the LCD is equal to -3. And I'm going to multiply both sides of this inequality by -3 to get rid of the fraction. Now it's very important to remember that this inequality is in here. It's a less than sign. When we multiply by negative, we're going to have to flip that inequality around. So I change it to a greater than symbol. And over here I have to distribute the -3. And over here the -3 just cancels. That's why I have 3 minus x. So now I have -12x plus 3, and my symbol has been changed because I multiplied both sides by a negative number, greater than 3 minus x. Now what I need to do is just get the x's to one side, the numbers to the other side, and then write the answer in interval notation. I'm going to subtract a 3 from both sides, and I'm going to add an x to both sides. So if I do that, this becomes -11x. This becomes 0, greater than 0, 0, so greater than 0. Now I just need to solve for x by dividing both sides by -11. Again, I'm divided by a negative sign, so anytime I multiply or divide by a negative number, I need to switch the symbol. So now I have x is back to less than, and 0 divided by -11 is 0. So this is the interval notation, and now I'm going to go to the graph and see if I can graph that. So I can write the the inequality notation. I want to write the interval notation. So here's 0, less than 0 is this way, and it's a strict inequality, so I use a parenthesis and go to the left. Now that helps me write my, whoops, it looks like I'll fix that. That looked like a parenthesis as well. I need to do an arrow like this. There we go. Alright, to the left, and now I need to write my interval notation. Negative infinity is the furthest thing left, and it goes up to 0. So there's my answer. Negative infinity to 0, not including 0.